In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a thermal printer. Check this out. This is a thermal printer for like making kind of sketches or using for tattoo. So what a lot of people would use this as tattoo, like, and that's what this paper is right here. And I'm just going to kind of like show you. I did take it out, plug it in and hook it up and then made sure it worked. Let me show you how this thing works real quick. So let me set this, so here's everything you get. You get the unit itself. So you're going to hold that side down and see how that opens. And there's the paper. This was in a package. So we're just going to like lock that down. And then to turn it on, you're going to turn on the side there. See how the paper works right there? Now this thing is Bluetooth and it is battery powered. So this USB output, so it's got a USB mini right there that goes to a computer if you want to put it on a computer. And then this is how you charge it right here. And then to connect it, you're going to connect it to your phone with that. And then you got to download an app. So the app is called My X Print. So open it up, you can see it's connecting. And then when you want to find your printer here, you want to make sure you go through and find your printer. And that's one thing, and it'll say whether you're connected there or not. So let me just go ahead and print something real fast. There's a bunch of templates right here, and I've already printed some templates. I think I threw them away. So let me go ahead and print like a simple like template right here. You can go right here, and if I want to insert test. By the way, this is an inkless printer. You need no ink to this, everybody. So done. You see how I put the word test in there? Hit the print button. It's sending it to the printer right now. Hopefully we have enough power still left in there. If not, I got to plug it up. I don't know if y'all can hear it in the camera. It kind of sounds like crackling wood. What it's doing, I think it's just hitting this paper and making that symbol in there. This is so cool. You can put your own pictures in there, by the way. So if you don't want to use their template, I could upload, say like your kid's picture, your dog or something like that, and print it out and then cut it and frame it, and that looks awesome. Let's let this go ahead and print. And then this is the paper for the tattoo stuff. I won't need that. I don't want to waste that right now. I'm just showing you with this paper right now, but it works exactly the same on that. Does that not look cool? Look at that. That's printing 100% like that. Totally ink-free. And there's the test. Now see, I could have added something to it. One thing I wish it had a cutter. So what I'm using is these Quinn like scissors right here. I've got a pack of scissors right here. This is one thing I don't like, is the fact that you have to tear it. So for me, I just cut it right here like that. So there's the top. And then once it gets done printing, you just got to cut the bottom out right there. It's still sending it, so it's still printing. It'll let you know when it's done. So when it's done, it says print successful. And then like I said, there you go. Is that not awesome? Look at that. So I could frame this, I could do whatever. And like I said, it's 100% ink-free printer. I could print out any of these things, or I could go over to my own Word document. I can like access my photos there. I can go to a web page. So I can open any type of web page. I can do text recognition, so you could take a picture of text. There's a lot of different uses with this. I've been using this, and I've had a blast playing around with this. This is one of these things, and like I said, you will run out of paper. You do have to order their paper, but once you get a lot of paper, at least you don't have to put a lot of ink in it, so you don't have to worry about it. And it can mount on the wall, so it can just print out as much as you want, like when it's set up. Super simple to set up. You can set up on your computer. You can set up on your cell phone. You can set up on an iPad or anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the VLOXO paperless tattoo printer, or just paperless printer. They call it a tattoo printer, but I like printing stuff like this. So yeah, because I don't really do tattoos. See y'all in the next video.